The aim here is to be able to run a few qualitative experiments with these tools: the small ball, a pencil, and part of an embroidery hoop. Now, be careful when you use the hoop not to cut yourself from the ends here. And just be safe. Okay, now the tasks that we are going to do are going to center around how do we interact with the ball. For example, if I would like to move it at a constant velocity, what do I need to do? My board here is not, my desk here is not flat. So we might not see really good experiments, but that's not the purpose of the video here. So for example, should I keep acting on it to get it to move at a constant velocity? Having the pencil touch it all along? Or should I just give it a kick and let go? How would I get it to move at a constant velocity? Now, what if it is moving at a constant velocity and I give it a kick? How does it move? How does that kick affect its motion? And then also, how can I get this to move in a circle? Maybe have a circle, and I'll provide some as part of the handout, and I'll print some. What if I have a circle and I'm trying to get this to move around the circle? What do I need to do? Last, with the embroidery hoop, how is it going to move when it gets off the hoop? So, for example, here, when it is moving around the hoop, okay, that's the hoop is exerting a force on it, keeping it within that circle. Now, what about when it gets out of the hoop? How is it moving? That's basically the small, tiny experiments that I need you to run.